We are going to be solving for x using the distributive property. So I'm going to start by multiplying. This is the distributive property. So I'm going to start by multiplying by 2. So 2 multiplies x, and then 2 multiplies -4. So multiply 2 times 2, you get 2x. And then 2 times -4, you're going to get -8. And we do only one step at a time. So we're just going to rewrite plus 2x, all of that equals to 12. The next step, I'm going to be combining like terms. So I'm going to be adding 2x with 2x. That's how we're going to get 4x minus 8. All of that equals to 12. The next step, I have to get rid of this -8 by adding 8. Then adding positive and -8, that would be 0. That's how you end up with 4x. All of that equals the adding 12 plus 8. That's how you're going to get 20. And then the last step, all what I have to do is get rid of this 4. 4 is multiplying x. To get rid of it, I'm going to be dividing by 4. 4 divided by 4 is going to be 1. 1 times x, you get x equals 20 divided by 4, you're going to get 5. That's the answer for this one. And for the second example, now one more time, this is the distributive property. So I'm going to be multiplying 3 times x. So you get 3x. 3 times -1, you're going to get -3. We do only one step at a time. So I'm going to rewrite -3 equals -9. The next step, combining like terms. On this case, we're just going to combine those two numbers. So I'm going to write 3x, just bring it down. They have the same sign, add it up and keep the sign. So you get -6. On the other side, I'm going to just bring down -9. So remember, all what I'm doing is one step at a time. The next step, I have to solve for x, so I have to get rid of this number 3 and then -6. Well, I have to get rid of this -6 by doing the opposite. That means adding 6, adding 6. Adding positive and -6, that is going to be 0. That's how you're going to end up with 3 times x. All of that equals, they have different sign, subtract, give the sign of the biggest number. The biggest number is negative, so the answer should be -3. The number 3 is multiplying x. To get rid of it, you do the opposite, right? Dividing by 3, dividing by 3. 3 divided by 3, you get 1. 1 times x, you get x equals, on the other side, negative divided by a positive. The answer should be -1. And that's how we get the answer.